Hello everyone, this is day 26 and this is my day 5 of my challenge. As you know, I took a 7 days challenge. Basically, it's a 16 days challenge, but I challenged myself for only 7 days first. So, this is my day 5 and I have did all my practice, like I have done my all practice, and I want to show you like what is my task and what I have done. So let's go to computer screen. Hope guys like you people like these kind of video. I make this kind of video basically to motivate you. First, motivate myself and motivate you also, because like I'm trying to do very small things which already seen in previous video. In today video I will show you like what I have done. So let's switch the camera towards the computer screen. Alright guys, so this is the day 5 challenge. So you can see day 5 challenge, daily routine plus questions like what, where, when, why, who, how, these kind of words I have. And you can see like this is the meaning of every word, and now it has some example. And इसे चलो, now this is the filling the blanks and some speaking practice on my routine, which I like already do, or I try to speak my routine day after this. See, and I have do practice on this word also, habit also, and this is the motivation quote. So actually, I like this motivation quote. If you want to read, suppose, so this is it says, first we make our habits, then our habits makes us. So which is very true. So this is the my output of today. So here you can see. All right, so now I checked with chat gpt, so it's, as you know, like my filling the blanks always went correct. And here is the correction of my sentences also. So first 5 or 6 are correct, then it has some corrections like helping verb, and you can see the spacing fix. I think मैंने कुछ ये से यहाँ पे गड़बड़ कर दिया ना, ये to do or this. So like I have fixed that also. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now you can see like there are suggestion also. Some sentences are good, some clear, some correct, some natural. I'm talking about this line, this line. So some of are good. Yeah, so this is a good practice. And today I have write a paragraph on the word on habit. You can see it's a habit, so I write a few words on it. And actually it's gave me the corrected version, the revised version, but I asked it ki please, I need a side by side like side by side comparison version. So it's gave me the comparison. So this is my original, this is corrected one, and this is the region or tips ki like where I was wrong. So you can see the all the things in correct form. And overall I think it's I can say like 50% is good, or maybe 40% is good, because I know I'm lacking in writing. So my writing is very bad, like when I try to write something, so it's not good. So yeah, but ठीक है, like for attempt it's good, 40 to 50%. And now this is the, actually here is the final feedback. So you are improving in all areas: grammar accuracy, sentence varieties, self explanation, commitment to practice. Guys, this is the main point: commitment to practice. Yeah, so again I want to come on the commitment. लास्ट का जो पॉइंट है वो सबसे ज़्यादा मेन है, बाकी सब टाइम पास है. इतना इतना प्रैक्टिस रोज़ करो. गुएट्स क्या बोलते हैं, गॉड स्वेयर, क्या भगवान कसम क्या बोलते हैं, गॉड श्योर स्वेयर, गॉड स्वेयर. एक्चुअली मैं ये वर्ड देखूंगा अभी. सो दैट स्मॉल प्रैक्टिस विल मेक यू परफेक्ट. प्लीज़ डोंट गो फॉर 5 वर्ड पर डे, 100 वर्ड्स की राइटिंग. नो, जितना कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टारगेट योर सेल्फ कि ओके आई नीड टू डी दिस जॉब फॉर 1 month, 7 days. So try to do that only, not overcommit yourself. Like I want to share in near video or near future video. I will share some incident, or I share with the real life incident with you. Ki why I take small step. Why I'm not targeting for very big target like 5 page reading or 10 page reading, 10 word per day. No, that's not work. There is a reason behind it, and there is a proper science behind it. I will explain you in another video. Okay, तो अभी के लिए enough है. Okay, and there is a one task also about the speaking tasks or daily routine. Okay, let's quickly cover this. So today किस टेंस में बोलना है. Okay, so it says कि simple present में बोलना है. So I have to basically explain my habit. So I wake up around 8 or 7 because I am not a early morning person, because my wife go to park. My wife go to the park, so I have to take care of kids. So that's why like I sleep till late 7 or 8, because वो सोते हैं तो I am also sleep with them. And the second, uh, I don't take bath in morning time. Usually I take in noon time, after like having lunch or before lunch. I usually take bath or that time. In the morning I take breakfast at 9 or 10, depends on the preparation. And like we are from North India, so we typically eat paratha and all, and I'm not that much health conscious person, guys. So that one of the another area I need to work on that also. So yeah, I eat paratha, sabji, roti, chai ke sath kuch bhi. So very generic breakfast, like usually North Indian have. And after that I start my office at 10. Like we have a regular connect on 10 o'clock. So I attend that on a regular basis, and after that I start my work. And maybe 11 or 12 days I take one tea, and after that another like sit on work, play with kids. And after that I ate lunch at 2 or 1, or like in between 1 or 2, and another then office call, work, tea. Then after in the evening time. Okay, so I disclosed till like now, but I will make a proper video on my daily routine life, or like my day-to-day life. So that's it for now. I sweating a lot because now my fan is off to making this video for. Okay guys, bye bye for now. And if you like these videos and you feel like this video can help you, so please guys do like and subscribe this channel, and like my videos, comment it, suggestion kuch ho, please wo bhi do. So yeah, that's it for today. So this is end of day 26. Bye bye.